Donald Trump, the former President of the United States, has officially entered a plea of not guilty to charges related to alleged conspiracy and racketeering activities aimed at overturning the 2020 presidential election results in Georgia. This plea was submitted through a court filing made by his attorney, Sadow, in the Superior Court of Fulton County, Atlanta. In the filed document, which spans 2 pages, Trump confirmed his intention to waive the formal arraignment process, where the indictment would be read aloud. This decision means that he will not be required to appear at the arraignment scheduled for the following week. Trump's distinctive Sharpie signature on the document marked the 4th occasion in recent months where he declared his innocence in the face of criminal charges. Previous indictments included cases involving hush money in New York, classified documents in Florida, and alleged subversion of the 2020 election at the federal level in Washington. The gravity of the accusations in the 41-count Fulton County indictment should not be underestimated. It alleges that Trump and 18 other co-defendants violated Georgia's state RICO statute by engaging in a multifaceted effort to undermine the integrity of a fair election. With the plea and arraignment phase concluded, the case now enters the pre-trial stage. As of now, no trial date has been set for Trump. However, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis has expressed the desire to try all 19 defendants jointly, starting on October 23, following a request from 2 former lawyers of Trump who sought an expedited trial. In a complex turn of events, Trump's legal team has contemplated seeking a transfer of the case to federal court, depending on the outcome of former Chief of Staff Mark Meadows' efforts to move the case to the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Georgia. Trump would need to demonstrate that the alleged criminal conduct was related to his official presidential duties, making it a federal matter. The motivation behind this potential move to federal court appears twofold. Firstly, it would expand the jury pool beyond the heavily Democratic Atlanta area. Secondly, it could result in a federal judge who may be less deferential to local prosecutors compared to those in Fulton County Superior Court. Throughout these legal proceedings, Trump's overarching strategy seems to be focused on delay tactics. Legal experts have noted that if Trump were to secure re-election, he could theoretically freeze the case while serving as president again. Last week, Trump voluntarily surrendered at the Fulton County Jail, where he underwent standard processing procedures for criminal defendants. This high-profile event occurred during primetime hours, a deliberate effort by Trump to discredit the charges and divert attention from his surrender. The strategy to turn his surrender into a televised spectacle has been aimed at discrediting the indictments and capitalizing on the information vacuum left by prosecutors, allowing Trump to control the narrative around the charges. In a noteworthy sign of the close ties between Trump's 2024 campaign and his legal team, there were discussions about Trump potentially appearing at the arraignment and holding a press conference afterward for optics reasons. Trump's bail was set at $200,000, the highest among his co-defendants, which includes his former attorney Rudy Giuliani, who faced similar charges and posted a $150,000 bond after turning himself in for booking a day earlier.